how to add or change your email address on your Roblox. Hello, I will show you in this video how to do this. Don't forget to like, subscribe. So let's start. You have to open your Roblox first, then come here to these 3 points and open your settings. Here on your settings, open your account information, and you will find like a lot of options. You will go to email address here and click add email, and you will add it or change it. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.